Now we're going to see how obedient that one over there is. See the stuff on the tiles? That's cooked chicken. Okay, Dino. You going to be a good boy? Do you want some chicken? Are you going to talk? Good boy. Come and get this. Come. Good boy, get it. No. Drop. Good boy. Dino, look. Not talk. Look. Good boy, get it. No. You talking? Dino, talk. Good boy, get it. No. 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 Drop. Good boy. Get it. Get it. Go get it. Dino. Get it. Here. Here, get it. Oh, excuse me. Get it, Dino. Yes. Get it. Good boy. Good boy. No. Drop. You talking? What? What are you saying? Are you talking? Talk. Oh. You hungry? You want some food? Do you want some? Yes. Do you want some? Do you want some chicken? Are you talking? Oh, you're a good boy. Get it. Yes. Good boy. Dino? Sit. All right, you can drop if you want. And that, my friend, is Dino the dog.